Today, you are going to learn how to report income from multiple jobs using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I will walk you through the exact prompts you can copy and paste so you can gather the right documents, understand how each income source is taxed, and avoid mistakes when filing your return. This guide is perfect for beginners, part-time workers, freelancers, students, and anyone balancing more than one job. Before you begin, gather your income documents for each job. In the UK, this means your P60s or P45s and any self-employment records. In the US, you will need your W-2s, 1099s, and any statements from gig work. If you are not sure what counts as employment or self-employment income, the first prompt will help you. Start with this prompt. Create a beginner-friendly checklist of everything I need to report income from multiple jobs in the UK or US. This gives you a clear document list and helps you confirm whether each income type needs to be reported. Next, personalize your process using ask me questions about each job I worked, then organize my income into a simple summary I can report on my tax return. After you answer, you will get a structured breakdown showing your total income by job and by type. If you want help understanding how taxes apply, use explain how income from multiple jobs is taxed and show me examples based on my situation. If you have both employment and self-employment income, add combine my job income and my self-employed income, then explain how each category is taxed. Before filing, run this error check, list the common mistakes people make when reporting income from multiple jobs so I can avoid them. Finally, build a long-term system with create a simple monthly routine to track income from each job so next year's filing is easier. And that is it. Reporting income from multiple jobs becomes simple once you follow a clear process and keep your records organized. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and at the end to guide your filing smoothly. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.